Hello and thank you for visiting strobesandmore.com. My name is Lewis and today I'm going to show you our brand new wireless easy Switchbox. It's a brand new product, a great little product. It's a wireless Switchbox and I'll demonstrate it for you here in a minute. But the really nice thing about it is you do not need to run a whole bunch of wires through the cab of your vehicle and mount a giant Switchbox. It's a remote controlled Switchbox run completely by a little tiny remote about the size of a garage door opener. So the main unit is right here. It comes with inline fuse holders and it's fed by 12 volts positive and ground. It has 4 outputs. 2 are rated at 10 amps, 2 are rated at 20 amps. There's a power and a ground output for each one. You do not have to run your grounds back to this box. You can just ground them wherever your lights are on the vehicle and just run your 12 volts back here to your switch box. This just needs to be mounted in a clean, dry location. Comes with 2 mounting screws for mounting. Installation instructions. Comes with a remote control with an LED indicator and battery. The mounting screws, extra fuses, and 2 Velcro if you want to Velcro mounts if you want to Velcro it. So here I'll demonstrate it for you. Here I have it set up with 4 individual functions, and I had to run the grounds back because of my application. But number 1, I have a floodlight, and you can run up to 20 amps of floodlight off the first switch. Number 2 is a 10 amp output, and I have an LED run to it. Number 3 is also a 20 amp output, and I have one of our True Duals run to it. And then number 4 I use to trigger the override for the full flood. You can run them all together, you can run them independently. It really depends on your choice and what you're looking to do. So there you have it. It's a brand new wireless Switchbox. Just to mention, these are digitally controlled, so they should not give you any interference in your vehicle or interference with other people with a similar Switchbox. 100-foot radius around your vehicle to switch the lights on and off, and it's run by one small A23 alkaline battery. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at strobesandmore.com. My name is Lewis. Thanks for checking out our new product and have a great day.